Hello students, let us see one problem students. The problem is all about what the problem. Let us read out the problem. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel. Which of the following is a Lewis acid? Okay. So if you talk about that is Lewis acid students. So Lewis acid is having vacant d orbital, having vacant d orbital. Either it should have vacant d orbital or positive charge, positive charge ions, or incomplete octet. So dear student, you see incomplete means that is what the Lewis acid are, the lone pair acceptor, that is in overall lone pair acceptor. Okay, this is the lone pair acceptor, it's lone pair acceptor, that you have to keep in mind. Whatever the Lewis acids are there, they must have to be lone pair acceptor, dear students. So how can you be able to understand this lone pair acceptor, student? Lone pair acceptor. So dear student, let us have a look over the lone pair acceptor. So if you see these options, so negative charge, this is the Lewis base. Okay, all the negative charges are Lewis base. H3O plus ion, so many students get confused in H3O plus ion, student, but H3O plus is not the Lewis acid. Why? You see oxygen, it is having what is the student, that is the one H plus is here, right? It donated the lone pair electron to this H plus. Another is there, here is the lone pair is there, and one hydrogen is here, another hydrogen is here, right? So you add out, that is you will find that is octet are complete here now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So octet complete, octet completed. So it is having the octet completed, so it does not accept LP. So it does not accept LP. So if it does not accept, that is lone pair electron, hence it is not Lewis acid. It is not Lewis acid, because for Lewis acid they must have to accept the lone pair electron. The things you can write here for diagrammatic also you can understand here. For H3O plus, most of the students are getting confused in H3O plus ion. Okay, but this is the simple student. Hydrogen is, that is 1 more hydrogen 1 hydrogen H plus 0. Oxygen is how much? 2 and 6. You can make the oxygen here, how many are there? So here 1 2. Okay, now here is what is 3 4. No, we are having, you can write in the different way here, you see. Okay, 1 2 is there, then this is 3 and this is 4. Hydrogen you can mention here is 1 2. So hydrogen also you can mention. Okay, now how many electron we have mentioned for oxygen? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here is H plus is there. So what it is happening, it is forming the doublet. Okay, and that is oxygen is completing the octet. You can see 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. So and here it is forming the coordinate. So that is octet completed, student, octet completed. If octet completed means not a Lewis acid, not a Lewis acid, that you have to keep in mind, student. Now let us have move for the another option, BF3. So BF3 is our required answer, student. BF3 is our required answer. Why BF3 is required answer? Because it is not having the completed octet, dear student. Let us have a look over it. If you draw the diagram of BF3 molecule, okay, BF3, so you can be able to, boron is 5, so this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, right? So here 1 2, here is, that is 1 2, and this is, if you talk about, this is 1. Okay, now if you are sending boron in excited state, this was the ground state and this is the excited. So if you are sending boron in the excited state, it will come 1s2, 2s1, 2p2. So it is, you can make it this 1. Here you can see that is how many, 1 2, right? So means it is having the valence electron is 3 are there, student. So you can mention it out, 3 valence electron. How can you be able to mention the 3 valence electron of boron? So let us have a look. So boron is there, this is the 1, 2 and 3. How many other are there? That is fluorine are there 7 electron. So that is you can mention for the fluorine. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here is fluorine. If you talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here is if you are talking about fluorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is fluorine is completing octet, fluorine is completing octet, here is fluorine is completing octet. But what about the boron? What the boron is doing? You know, what about the boron? If you talk about the boron, student, boron is not able to complete the octet. Here you see 6 electron with boron. Okay, 6 electron with boron. So it is what it will there? Lewis acid as it has incomplete octet. So it has incomplete octet, right student? So this is our required answer. C2H5OH, it is also not a Lewis acid. C2H5OH, you can check it out because it is having the lone pair electron, student. C2H5, here is O and H is there, here is lone pair electron. So not a Lewis acid, It can act as a Lewis base but not a acid. So our required answer is BF3. Thank you so much for watching, dear student. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.